Hey guys, it's Jim Bounds with Co-op Motor Works. Actually, today I'm got another hat on. This is Big Jim's bus hole, maybe. Not sure yet. But yesterday was a pretty wild day. You wrote the Daily Post. A lot of stuff happened. People came out and looked at the moles, and we're looking like we may be able to do something with that. So that really took it out of me. So this morning I figured we'd do this. We have a coach side chat, something like that. So one of the problems that we've run into, because we've started to try to find coaches for people that are good platforms, not buying and selling, but find good platforms and also find business for us. Okay, that's what it's about. So everybody wants, the one thing everybody wants, is it solid? Can I build on it? Is it a black hole? And that's always the first question. And I want it sound. I want it to be mechanically sound. That's how it always starts. And don't feel bad if you've called me and said that, or you're getting ready to. It's okay. I understand. I won't stop you. But that's what everybody wants. And I totally understand it. It's a 45-year-old turd. I mean, it's got to be a problem. So what we've started to do is we're looking for good platforms, whether it be a core platform or a survivor platform or a restored coach that just needs a little bit more, but any one of those money can go in them that will be value added, and you'll be able to have a nice coach at whatever level you want. So I thought we'd talk about the first level. When I say levels, if you go to our for sale page and read, I try to get reality and expectations together, so you're not thinking you're going to drive 300 miles and see a coach for $5,000 and it's going to be, just unbelievable. I want to say that, brother. I want to help you and hope that it happens, but honestly, it's not. Guy wants to sell something, they put out the best foot they can. You would do the same thing. Car dealers do the same thing. The list of good things are not as important as the list of things that it needs, especially when it's 45 years old. So what we want to do is start doing that, explaining what a coach is, what the possibilities are, but also what it's going to need to make it mechanically sound. I use the analogy, it may still be Broomhilda with bobby pins flying out of her hair, but she'll be on an operating broom, right? And you can do whatever you want to, interior and exterior. You can do anything you want mechanically, but we can tell you what it is, and it fits the formula. The formula is, and I'm sorry if you get a better deal, I'm super excited. But having a GMC that's not running or will not do what you want to do is having nothing, okay? So the first level is, can you buy a coach and get it mechanically sound? That doesn't mean, oh yeah, the brakes work. No, that means go through the brakes. That means do something to the motor, fuel system, everything. If you can buy a coach and get it mechanically sound for $25,000 or around there, within 20% of that, that's in the formula. That's in the pocket. In other words, no matter if it's blue, green, yellow, or red, or you buy it here, there, or whatever, if you can buy it and reasonably expect to get it mechanically sound and have $25,000 invested, that's reasonable. Might do it for less, may take a while. You get one that just runs, and then you do the work. That's fine. But understand that a motorhome that you buy that just runs and you haven't checked it is not a reliable motorhome. It's just not. Okay? So look, this is the core. This one is affectionately named No Brakes because it has no brakes. But interior, 15 years ago, the interior was wrapped by Golby. Did a good job. These are original cabinets. All these are original cabinets that have been laminated with taupe material. New doors. Countertop. This was 15 years ago. Okay. And it's had no love for probably 5 years. But there really is a lot here. The upholstery is nice. I mean, you know, I'd definitely wash it, clean it. But upholstery is nice. And it is a good platform. This is a platform. This coach is under $10,000. This is a core. It's on our website. I think it's listed for $7,500. That's through the owner. Has nothing to do with us. We don't take commissions or anything like that. And if you understand that you're going to commit up to $25,000, this coach will be awesome. This will be a nice machine. It'll be a nice platform to do more to. You could fly down here and drive it home. It needs work. But that's the way you've got to look at any GMC that you want to buy. So this is a core. You can buy a core from $50, some of them, to $10,000. Depends on how much of a core it is, how long it's been sitting, and how much it's going to need. But this coach, even at $7,500, fits the formula perfect. That means that you have what, 75 up to 25, what, $15,000, $17,000 you can put in it, and it'd be a real nice machine. You could drive off with it. That's what you want to look at. That's how you want to think of coaches when you look at them. If you need help with that, that's what we're doing. Our for sale page is going to have a lot more stuff as soon as we get it updated a little bit. But all of this is written there. And if you're interested in buying a coach, I strongly suggest you go to our website, which is gmccoop.com. Look at coaches for sale and scroll down and read. A lot of people have said it's been very helpful. All right, well, look, that's enough for today's video daily pose. I think this is the first one. Yeah. See you later.